Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Braunschweig, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Brnovick Palace. Number 2, St. Blasi Cathedral. Number 3, Burgplatz. Number 4, St. Marni Kirche. Number 5, Happy Rizzi House. Number 6, Dankwarderode Castle. Number 7, Magniviertel. Number 8, Schloss Museum Braunschweig. Number 9, Herzog Anton Ulrich Museum. Number 10, Städtisches Museum. Number 11, Schlour Richmond. Number 12, Braunschweiger Rathaus. Number 13, Altstadtmarkt. Number 14, Arche Noah Zoo Braunschweig. And the last one, number 15, Christmas Market.